Every year, Faculty of Computer Application, Marwadi University provides a different kind of scholarship to the students, and this scholarship is totally based on their previous academic records. So today we are going to provide you a detailed information about all this scholarship which we are providing to the students during admission time. Let's take a look.
Now I am going to tell you the next scholarship based on aggregate percentage of UG. If your aggregate percentage is between 50.01 to 60, then you can get 10% of scholarship. If your aggregate UG percentage is between 60.01 to 70, you can get 20% of scholarship. If your aggregate UG percentage is from 70.01 to 75%, you can get 30% of scholarship. If your aggregate UG percentage is between 75.01 to 80%, you can get 40% of scholarship. If your aggregate UG percentage is between 80.01 to 85%, you can get 50% of scholarship. If your aggregate UG percentage is above than 85.01, you can get 60% of scholarship.
Apart from that, you can also get an additional scholarship based on our in-house scholarship test. That test will be of 100 marks. If you score between 50 to 75, then you will get 10% scholarship. If you score between 76 to 100, then you can get 15% scholarship. Overall, you can get 70% maximum scholarship. Not only in first year of MCA, but you can also get up to 40% scholarship in your second year MCA. But that scholarship will be based on your first year MCA performance. That scholarship details are displayed on the screen.
So this is all about the different scholarship which is provided by the Faculty of Computer Application, Marwadi University. Hope this information will help you to take the decisions for your admissions. And for this year, admission has already been started. You all are invited to the campus for the same. And for any of the admission related inquiries, you can contact on this number. Thank you very much.